Master your money anytime, anywhere by learning how to effortlessly view your Natwest bank statements directly on your mobile app. First, ensure you have the Natwest mobile banking app downloaded and installed on your smartphone or tablet if you haven't already. You'll need to register for mobile banking, which involves setting up a username and password. Make sure you have good internet connectivity, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, before you begin. Once the app is open and you've successfully logged in with your credentials, you'll typically land on your account summary page. This screen usually displays your current balance for your main account. To access your statements, look for an option like View Statements, or sometimes it might be found within a More menu or Account Details section. The exact location can sometimes vary slightly with app updates, so keep an eye out for these common terms. After tapping on the statement option, you should see a list of your available statements. These are often categorized by month or by specific date ranges, making it easy to find what you're looking for. You might be able to view recent statements directly within the app, or you may have an option to download them as a PDF file for your records. Look for download or share icons if you need to save a copy to your device or send it elsewhere. Within each statement, you can review all your incoming and outgoing transactions, including dates, descriptions, and amounts. This is a fantastic way to track your spending, verify payments, and ensure your balance is accurate. Don't forget you can usually switch between different accounts if you have multiple with Natwest by navigating back to your account summary or using a drop-down menu. By regularly checking your statements through the Natwest app, you gain greater control over your personal finances, making it easier to budget, save, and stay on top of your incomings and outgoings. It's a simple yet powerful tool for managing your money effectively wherever you are.